Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a perfect YouTube short in DaVinci Resolve from start to finish. Whether you are new to editing or just switching to Resolve, this guide will help you do it right. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in the first step, you just need to create a new project. You just need to open the DaVinci Resolve and click new project. So from that place, if you click over here, you can create a new project and give a name as it you want. Like I'm going to give the name and just click to the create, and it already been created. You can see the project name here. So clicking new project and naming it whatever you want, type a name for your project and click. This opens your editing workspace. You can see the full workspace in here. In the second step, you just need to be set vertical resolution. Now let's set up the video for shorts format. You just need to be click the gear icon in the bottom right corner, and once it did, you will get the master setting here and change the timeline resolutions into vertical one. So you just need to be choose one of them. So I am going to make it 1080 into, so let's find it out. Is it here available? I think it is not yet available in here, so I will click on custom and then I will provide that data in here 1080, and then I'll change it to 1920 and it's done. That's vertical format. Also set the frame rate to 30 fps and click save. So here you can see this one is the timeline frame rate, so I'm going to make it 30 and just click to the save, and now it already been done. So now into next step, you just need to import a video to timeline. Drag your clip into the media pool here. So you just need to be click over here file, and then you just need to be click one to the import and then just click media, and from that place where you load or store your media, you just need to go that folder and choose any of the video in here. Let's say I'm going to work with this one. Okay, change it, and then it will take a couple of minutes, and once it's done, I already drag and drop the file, then drop it into the timeline. You just need to drop it into the timeline. So this is the timeline here, you can see it. So I'm going to paste it in here, and you can see it already become the vertical one. So I am going to make this one more proper so you can see it. That's amazing. Now you just need to reframe horizontal clips if needed. If your video was filmed horizontally, go to the inspector onto the top right. In here you will see that one. So from that place you just need to be fix that one. In here inspector, just click this one, and you just need to be change all of this to make it vertical, and then you just need to show screen and position like video. Use the zoom and position setting to center the subject. So how we can do it? We just need to increase the zoom. Once you did, then eventually it will be changed. And if your video was filmed horizontally, you can use this one. Then you just need to trim edit effect. Now trim your clip under 60 seconds. So let's say our video is from this one, so I will select this one. Then here into the top you have a couple of options. You can trim this one like split, and then just delete this one, and you can see already been deleted. So I will select only side 16 seconds. So I will go over here, and then I will increase that one in this way. So let's do it. I think this one will be the 16-second video, and now you just need to click again split and then delete this one whole thing, and you can see it properly. So you can add text, transition, music, and even color contrast using table shows. So here we have a couple of options, as you can see, fusions, then the color, then flashlight, and many more things. So you can do your things with this, like it is help you to add effect. Then you just need to export the shot. Once you're done, just go to the deliver tab at the bottom. So here you will find out that one. So I will go to the media. Once I come over here, this one is for the card, and here you will find out that one to export. So just click to the export and then click timeline, and you are ready to export it. And if you want to export it as it you want. You can go to this one, export project, and then click this one. This way it will be saved as an export. And if you want to download that one, you can do it easily. You just need to go over here to the drive deliver tab at the bottom. So deliver tab in here. So here you can see this is the deliver tag. You just need to go over here and then show driver tab, and you just need to choose your file name. I'm going to give the file name my first YouTube video. Similarly, you just need to do whatever you want to do, then just click to the add to render QQ and the file will be saved in here. So as you can see how easy the process was. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.